What's up everyone? First of all, I want to thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel. My name is Larry. I'm a nurse practitioner and I'm the founder of Yunique Medical. Yunique Medical is in Central Florida and we practice human optimization and performance. Right here, Human 2.0, that's what I try to build. Most of my clients come to me and want to work with me because my expert knowledge of hormone therapy and peptide therapy. So when I'm leveraging the combination of the two of these things, I can truly change somebody's life. So when people come to me, they have a litany of complaints, including fatigue and weight gain and hot flashes, loss of muscle mass, etc. And I leverage these tools to build Human 2.0 so that they could live the best life that they possibly can. So please subscribe to this channel so that you can hear me talk about hormones, various peptides. I interview other peptide masters like myself. Also going to be talking with some epigenetics specialists as well. So if you're looking for biohacking, peptide crushing information, this is where you want to be. Hit that button and I'll talk to you later.